Hello and welcome to the Math 126 section 4321 Jumpstart section online syllabus review. So I have my information here in the top, email address, office number, office phone number, and then the office hours. I'm planning on doing Monday, Wednesday 10 to 11, and then 12:20 to 12:50 in Cedar 303 and online. And then doing just online on Tuesday from 10 a.m. till noon. So prerequisite success in intermediate algebra. Algebra 2, Math 96 or similar course is recommended as preparation for this course. Students should meet with a counselor to determine readiness based on a placement or equivalent exam, high school coursework, or other factors. Course description: this course is the first semester of a pre-calculus sequence. So the next one's 127, and that's going to be the trigonometry part. Topics include study of functions, their properties, and graphs, including linear, quadratic, polynomial, rational, exponential, and logarithmic functions and their applications. Successful students will be able to construct detailed graphs with functions, analyze a function's behavior, compose and decompose functions, find inverse functions, solve systems of equations, analyze models and applications. And then here's overall our list of topics, so you read those. 3-credit course, transfers within Nevada. This course is designed to apply towards a W&C degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. Textbook, the primary text for the course is Pre-Calculus by J. Abramson and Lumen and Pre-Calculus OHM Digital Access. And so you can just get the access. It's embedded in the course, so you can get the access. You can do a trial access for, I think it's 2 weeks or so, and then you can purchase your access directly from the publisher. Okay. So we'll have the online text and then calculator. I like to use the TI-84. There's also embedded calculators with Lumen, and there's also online calculators with like Desmos, excuse me. Grade breakdown, quizzes. Well, there'll be one quiz per chapter or test per chapter, however you want to call it. That's 60% of the grade, then the other 40% will be the homework. That each section will have a homework assignment. So there'll be 5 quizzes, 1 per chapter. We'll cover 5 chapters. Tentative dates are, hang on, I should probably verify this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those are correct. Okay. So those are when our quizzes are going to be, and you can see in the calendar coming up here. What we have currently, quizzes are planned to be completed in Canvas. However, if concern for quiz integrity arises, quizzes may be conducted on paper in class. Homework, all homework assignments are on the Lumen website, but they're all embedded in Canvas. So homework is completed through the practice activities. You may also access assignments tabs into the modules or course summary below the syllabus on Canvas. Grading of coursework, assignments completed in Lumen OHM are automatically graded by that program, and the final grades are recorded by that program or transferred to the Canvas gradebook. The official grade record for the course is the Canvas grade book, not the grade book in Lumen, because I have the weighting of the 60% for the quizzes and then the 40% for the homework. If you feel a problem was misgraded, please let me know so I can review the issue. Lesson and course videos. Lessons are in Canvas and in the modules, or in Canvas in the modules, and the students are expected to view the lessons prior to coming to office hours for assistance. So what I don't like is people just get to the homework and I can't do number 1. How do I do number 1? Did you look at the lesson? No. Look at the lesson. I mean, I'm really happy to help people, but it's not like each person gets individual instruction on how to do something. There's a lesson there, and if that didn't make sense, then come to me. Also, you can have a much quicker response time by watching those videos than waiting for an office hour, especially if it's like on a Thursday afternoon. Okay, the instructor created video. Our lessons are found within each of the modules, below each section, textbook link. And you can also get the homework from there. Attendance, students are expected to participate and keep pace with the course. on a regular basis. Students failing to keep pace or answer emails to the instructor for 2 or more weeks may be dropped from the course. Any departure from the attendance policy must be pre-approved by September 6, 2025. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. My whole thing there is you're here to learn something. There's a reason you're here. It's not just for a grade. You need to be able to learn something so you can use it. So don't cheat yourself on that. But if it's going to be a problem, and I'm working with the teachers at the different high schools, if I need to fail someone, I'll do it. I've had to do it before. But I'm really hoping that, given that this group of students tends to be the better students, that they understand the value of learning. Okay, moving on to early alert. Please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. The counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Great appeals can be made to Dr. Cecilia Gregg. There's her email address. She's the Director of Liberal Arts. Disability Statement: Western Nevada College is committed to providing reasonable accommodations for all persons with disabilities. The syllabus is available in alternate formats upon request. It is also our goal to be as accessible as possible. If you anticipate any issues related to format, materials, or requirements of the course, please meet with me so we may address accessibility concerns with the DSS office. Any student with a disability needing academic adjustments is required to register with the Disability Support Services office to receive academic accommodations for this class. Please submit the application there, and you will then be contacted by DSS staff. Schedule an appointment. If you have any questions about DSS services, you can contact Susan Trist, and there's her email address and phone number. Instruction-specific issues: Dr. Dana Ryan, Vice President of Academic and Student Affairs. There's her phone number and email address. Statement for syllabi regarding COVID-19. I haven't deleted this from the syllabi yet because they haven't said we could. Probably don't need this part, but being an online class, change in format due to COVID or other public health emergencies is unapplicable. This class will comply with WNC and NSHE policies related to any public health concern. So here are important dates for the course down here as well. I would not rely on these for the end-all be-all. I would confirm with the WNC calendar. So I could have made a mistake. So this is not like, well, your syllabus said it. So I'm trying to be helpful with these, but if some changing event has to occur based on these dates, make sure it's accurate with the WNC calendar. When we get down here to our schedule, we start with our intro to the first day, and 1.1, then 1.2, then 1.3 and 4 and 5. So you can see in that first 3 weeks, we're going to finish chapter 1. And then we get on to chapter 2. And then chapter 3 is a little bit longer. Chapter 4 is a little bit longer. Chapter 5 is a little bit shorter. And then there's our semester. Okay. So we have a lot of great content in this course, and we get to use a lot of great programs. I really enjoy using Desmos, especially when we do linear regression. And it makes it so much easier, and some of the frustrations that people have in the past kind of goes away, I think, because you're using these tools that make the comprehension better. Okay, and you can see how you can come up with your own models for things. Okay, here's what we're going to cover: Module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For each section, there's homework to be completed, and for each module, there's a quiz to be completed. Okay, I think I may have droned on long enough with this, so apologize if I do, they call it, get distracted too much, but digress. Okay, so let's get to it. Why don't you post your introduction today, and I look forward to seeing you all online.